Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can know if you are banned on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your games and applications. Here, if you go to the game library, you're gonna find a list that includes all of your installed games on this device. Here you're gonna find your collections and also PlayStation Plus games. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to know if you are banned on the PlayStation 5, one of the things that happen to your device when you are banned is you can't connect to the internet. So basically guys, if you go to settings and then go to network here under accessibility, if you go for example to settings and try to connect to internet by clicking on setup internet and choosing your Wi-Fi network or your internet, you won't be able to connect. It will say can't connect to PlayStation Network. Another thing that happens is you can't play online since you don't have internet. You will find an error here in the bottom that says unable to connect to PlayStation Network. So basically guys, if you find this message, this means you are banned on your device. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.